Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the Wednesday, the 16th of August, and it's just about 8 o'clock. We'll start with the AUD Japanese yen. Uh, we've had a very nice fall down, and we're just getting a little bit of a rebound now. And I really hope I don't get knocked out of these nice trades I've got here. I've got one right in at the top, which I think I'm going to move the stop on that. There we go. Don't want to get knocked out of that one. Crowning glory. So we'll see how that goes. But even if you get down onto the hourly chart, it is sort of like going up quite quickly. So there you go. We've come up. We're just about coming up to the 50 on the RSI. We've gone through the trend line, which should have been my out position. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. But we've got a short of 8.57 to 1. If I get knocked out, I can always get back in anyway. Pound New Zealand dollar, just been about even Stevens. We've got a divergence 8.23 to 1 long. The New Zealand dollar has actually come up a little bit against the US dollar today. So, we're holding here. We've got a little bit of support here, going on the daily chart. So we'll see where that goes, but we're above the 50 on the RSI. So basically sideways movement. We've got the divergence with us, and I think we're going up, but there you go. Euro GBP. It's gone up through the monthly turning point. We're now at 0.91. Yep, so bit of weakness in the pound, but there again, we've had a bit of good news for the pound today. So maybe that's going to sort of soften its advance upwards. It can't go, well, can't go a lot further. It is going up. We've got a divergence on the commercials of a 3.1 short. We've broke the trend line, so I'm going to move this over. So it's gone nicely above the 69.1. I want it to come back down and cut through this quite a steep cut. That would be nice, and that would be a signal to go short this pair. USD Mexican peso. We've stagnated a little bit last 3 days where we are. I really wanted to get above this resistance here and continue up. It's actually dropped back down below the 50 on the RSI. Could do with a little bit more strength in this, would be really nice. The commercials have a long ratio of 2.48 to 1. Not a lot happening with that at the moment, but we'll wait and see. USD Japanese yen. So this is continuing up. We've had a little bit of weakness in the Japanese yen overnight. We've just broke above the resistance here at the top of these candles. Just about. We're thinking this is going to make the 111, maybe a little bit over. It's already hit the mid Bollinger Band and broke through. I'm looking that this should be about a top on it, but we'll see. Give it a couple more days. USD CAD. We did just break this morning through the historic resistance here. I'm looking for this to start going up a bit more. I've got all 3 of my trades here in profit, which is really nice. And I'm looking for a bit more strength in this. The commercials long ratio is 2.46 to 1. We're above the 50 on the RSI, and I'm looking for this to continue up. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. But we're at entry this morning. We did actually weaken quite a lot yesterday, which is nice. I've got my trade in profit. I'm just going to move this over a bit. There we go. Got that a bit too steep perhaps. So we're looking for this to short. We've got a short ratio of 7 to 1, which is extreme. On this 7 to 1 ratio is still extreme, and I'm expecting it to short back down. So that's about where we are with that. We've broken through. There's a little bit of support here, bottom of these candles, a little bit more there. It's struggling through it, but hopefully it's going to make it in the next couple of days. Right, there you go. Well, thank you very much for watching, much appreciated, and hopefully see you all again tomorrow. Cheers, bye now.